Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to log in into your RAKBANK online banking account in UAE so that you can access your money and manage your services without any hassle. So first of all, you need to begin by opening your web browser in your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, simply search for ranbank.ae, which is the official website of RAKBANK. Now, once you are here on the home page, on the top right hand corner itself, you will find the login option. When you click on the login option, it is going to show you a bunch of different options further, like personal, business, wholesale, and manage prepaid cards. So here, if you have a personal account with them, simply select the first option. If you have a business account with them, simply select the second option, and so on. So currently I'm going to be clicking on the personal account. Now it is going to show you whether you want to continue with the login or register now. So I'm assuming that you already have your login credentials. So simply click on the option of continue to login. Now here in this section, provide your user ID and your password associated with your account. Then click on the option of login. Now, if you have enabled any kind of added security on your bank account, RAKBANK is going to send an OTP. So you will have to provide the OTP which you will get on your registered mobile number. Once it is completed, you will get access to your RAKBANK dashboard in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.